Now more than ever, creating the next medical device innovation takes a combination of skilled precision and careful acceleration. Every decision matters. But the one decision that matters most is selecting a partner that can take a device from idea to implementation, quickly, without sacrificing quality. UFP MedTech is uniquely positioned to offer that. With more than 55 years of experience and a growing network of industry leaders, our single-use and single-patient device capabilities span all the expertise areas necessary to meet the unique demands of the market: design, engineering, prototyping, material selection, quality, manufacturing, supply chain management. While most medical manufacturing companies focus on one aspect of development, UFP delivers more. We understand the sense of urgency and importance of choosing a trusted ally that can help mitigate risk, reduce cost, and most importantly, improve patient outcomes.